highlight of integral yoga. When you say be a yogi, it means you are practicing all four yogas in your life. You are like a veena with four strings. But these four strings, action, emotion, will, and reason, instead of creating melodies, they create melodies, melodious. That's an allegorical way to understand. Life becomes more and more enriched when there is harmony and integration in your personality. When your hand goes one way, your speech goes another way, your head thinks another way. This is a disintegration. Disintegration is the cause of all troubles. Try in your life. Live 2 or 3 days with perfect rhythm and then compare it with 2 or 3 days of life with completely without rhythm and see what suits you best. The subtle teaching that comes out of it, that when you have rhythmic life, you can face most difficult challenges in a delightful manner. Saj Saras Sanidhya. Life becomes more spontaneous and delightful. And you are being led to union with God. All these points are the subtle teaching behind of the Gita.